Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi guys, welcome to CantoneseClass101.com's Top Words. Today we are in Wong Temple, Wong Miu. This is the backyard, the garden of the temple, and we're going to go through 5 words that you need when you come visit. So the first word is Wong Miu, the Wong Temple. So Miu is temple, Miu, and Wong is the name of the god, kind of like a god figure. He brings you good luck, health, wealth, love. Whatever you're looking for, whatever you want, you can ask him for it. So when we come here, we have to 上香. 上香 is to offer the incense, like a long stick, and then you burn on the tip, and then it gets smoky. 香, that is called 香. And 上香 means to offer the incense. And that means it's kind of like feeding the god. They eat those things to get more powerful, I guess. So 上香, 上 is to go up or offer up to the god. So 上香 in a sentence, 上香嗰陣要虔誠. You have to be serious when you offer the incense. Like, you're not going to be joking when you offer the incense, and you have to be serious and respectful. The next word is 求簽. 求簽 is 求 is to beg, and 簽 is kind of like a stick that has a number, and the number will tell your fortune for this year. So 求簽, it is a whole bunch, I think around 123 or around that number, of sticks in a cup, and you have to keep shaking it until one of them fall out. And then that one stick that fell out has a number that you have to ask the master, what does it mean? And while you're doing that 求簽, you have to think about something. For example, love, you have to think about love for the whole way you do it, or family, or your career, or should I move, things like that. And then it's supposed to answer your prayer or give you an answer. And the next word is related to 求簽. It's 解簽. 解 is to explain or to solve, like to solve a mystery or to solve a problem. 簽 is again that little stick that tells your fortune for this year. In a sentence, 求簽之後就去解簽. After you beg for the stick, like the stick came out, then you get the answer. You ask for the answer of what it means. And the next word is 平安. 平安 means peaceful or happiness, like everything goes well, everything goes smoothly. So 平安, so it's a good luck, good fortune, good health. 我祝你一家平安. I hope your whole family is well. I wish your whole family well. 我祝你一家平安. So that's it for today. Today we are at Wong Temple, and they are closing soon. So I'll see you next time in another video. I'm Olivia. Bye!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.